So instead of just random pictures, think mood board inspiration photos, a wish list, and a clear understanding of your style. This way, you can communicate effectively with your contractor and avoid those costly changes mid-project.
Gotcha. No more renovation roulette. We need a
Yeah.
solid game plan. Which brings us to step number 2, setting a realistic budget. Now, I've heard some absolute horror stories about budget overruns. So what are some of the things that can contribute to this, and how can our listeners protect themselves?
Underestimating costs, that's a big one. People often forget about things like permits inspections or those hidden surprises lurking behind walls. You know, that old wiring that needs updating or the plumbing that suddenly decides to leak?
Yeah, the joys of homeownership, right?
Exactly. But MJP Renovations takes a very thorough approach to budgeting. They factor in a contingency fund, usually around 10 to 20% of the total budget, to cover those unexpected costs.
Ooh, smart move. Like having a financial safety net.
Absolutely. It's about transparency and responsible planning right from the start.
Love it. Now, step 3, prioritizing functionality.
Yeah.
Okay, so I once toured this house with the most stunning kitchen. I mean, it was straight out of a magazine, but you literally couldn't open the fridge and the oven door at the same time. Gorgeous, but so impractical.
Yeah, you don't want a space that's just for show, right? You need
That's
it
it.
to function for your lifestyle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So how do we strike that balance between aesthetics and usability?
Well, MJP Renovations is big on this. They always emphasize that good design is a beautiful marriage of form and function.